Hi, Path Program, week 1, day 4. So we'll just do a very quick catch up. Been looking at the words that can describe us that don't necessarily have to describe us, which means that we have choice and things can change. Yesterday we looked at our place in space. So just like, a plant will grow, a plant of a certain type will grow in an environment that's suitable for that plant, but could perish in the wrong kind of environment. It'll struggle. So we're getting conscious about the environment that we choose to put ourselves in. That can be geographic, but more than that these days, it's to do with the groups, the communities, the people, the relationships that we have around us, and we may also choose those, of course. I've been married twice. I'm about to get married for the third time, and looking back, I can tell that those two people that I chose to commit myself to didn't constitute an environment that really suits the true me. I can't say they were the wrong people, or I went into it for the wrong reasons, because that right and wrong dichotomy is fraught with problems. But at the time, it made sense. In retrospect, I wasn't likely to grow and fulfill my potential in that environment. But things are what they are. It is what it is. So today we're doing something similar, but we're looking, instead of your place in space, looking at your place in time. Now I'll link to another video I've done about this called Edge Marketing, which gives you a bit more detail. But it's based on this idea that living in the present means that you're not controlled by the past, and you're not controlled by the future either. So how can we be controlled by the past? Well, we could be controlled by the expectations placed on us by our culture, religion, parents, education, society, all of those things. They're constraints, and you may choose to live with those constraints, or you may choose not to live with those constraints. We can have decided something for ourselves at some point in the past, and simply never changed it. And we can also live in the future. Our lives can be dominated by the future. So, whereas the past is finished, dead, complete, inert, solid, the future is gaseous and chaotic and random and full of possibility. And that's where dreams can be, and hopes and ambitions and all that kind of stuff. And we can be controlled by the future as well. If you're a daydreamer, you're living in the future. Right? If you're worrying about what's going to happen, you're living in the future, not the present moment. I can't remember who gave this quote, but someone says, if you're depressed, you're living in the past. If you're anxious, you're living in the future. So the point is to look at the reasons why we do the things we do, the reasons why we choose the things that we choose. Are they for historical reasons? Are we repeating? Are we going round the roundabout, time and time again, simply because that's what we've always done? Is it just a habit? Or, have we actually chosen to do this? So, my suggestion for today's exercise, my invitation to you, is to write down maybe 10 of the things that you do on a regular basis, and or as many as you like, and just write alongside each one of those things why you do those things. Do you choose that thing? Yeah? Or has it been chosen for you? Maybe at some point in the past, maybe by someone else. So that's today's video, and I'll see you all soon.